Hi, I'm Bhavana, a Humanitarians AI Fellow, Week 8 of my JobSeeker report, the job search app where I handle SEO, making Google find and rank our listings. Last week, the fast indexing system was a design on paper. This week, it's real, 3 pieces that tell Google about new jobs directly instead of waiting. Executive summary in one image. For time-sensitive jobs, you don't wait for Google to wander by, you knock on the door. Normally, the crawler is a mail carrier on a usual route. It reaches your street eventually, which is fine for a page that stays useful. But a filled job shouldn't linger, and a new one shouldn't wait days. The indexing API is knocking directly, and this week I built the 3 pieces that make it work: an identity, a script, and a memory. First piece, identity. An unattended backend script can't log in like a person, so it uses a service account, essentially a robot identity, to prove to Google it's allowed to speak for the site. It loads a service account key, requests the indexing scope, and gets an authorized session. No human in the loop every run. Second piece, the script that does the telling. After each scrape, it asks the database for jobs created in the last 6 hours that are still active, turns each into its public URL, and batches them to Google's indexing API. A new listing scraped, Google knows within the hour, not whenever the crawler wanders back. Third piece, memory. A tracking table, CO index status, records every URL already sent with what happened and when. The job ID, the URL, whether it was an update or a removal, the response, the timestamp. Backend only, locked to the service role. This table is the difference between a system that submits once and one that submits forever. And here's why that table isn't optional. Google caps the indexing API at 200 URLs a day, by default. Without a memory of what's already been sent, every single run would resubmit every job it's ever seen and burn the entire daily quota on repeats. Before it ever reached the genuinely new listings, the system exists to surface. The memory is what makes the quota survivable. The recap. The indexing API turns waiting into knocking. A service account gives an unattended script the identity to speak for the site. One script pushes new and removed jobs to Google in hours, and a tracking table remembers what's been sent, so a 200-a-day quota goes to new listings, not repeats. It's built and wired to run after every scrape. The service account credential is the last step before it goes live. The rule. For time-sensitive content, don't wait to be found. Your turn. If you've got content with a shelf life, listings, events, prices, ask Claude how you tell a search engine the moment something changes, instead of waiting to be crawled. And ask the question that actually makes it work. What do you record so you never send the same update twice? Run this and design the memory first. Don't wait to be found.